Hello friends, welcome to Geeky Rabbit. Welcome to our series on Java. So today we'll be seeing that how we can create a runnable Java file from a Java project. So for that, let's just open Eclipse project first. So just click on your Eclipse and open an existing project that you are working on. So this will ask for the workspace. Go on with the default workspace and launch it. So this is one of the project which we are having in here, and if you will expand this, you'll get the source file in the package in here. So this is the main package Frogger, and all the files are mentioned in here. So these are the different class file with main, which is the one which is the main one in this package. So now if you run this particular project, so just click on run as and Java application, you and give the class as main, as this was the main one, and click on OK. So now you'll see that a game will be launched, and so this is the particular application. So now for running this game each and every time, you will need this Eclipse, or you will have to do it through the command line. So we need to find out a way in which we can just run it or click on a file and this project would open. So that can be done by just creating a Java file. And today we are going to see that how to do this. So for that, just first of all, click on Frogger and go to run as run configuration, or you can go directly from run and run configurations in here. So once you click here, so you will get a window. So you have to do some settings. So first of all, give some name. So let's call it Frogger demo, and you'll have to give the main class path in here. So the main class here is under the Frogger package. So what we saw earlier. So that's why we are giving Frogger.main. And now you have to just click on apply and just run it and see it whether it is running. Okay, so basically it is running whatever we did earlier. So now just, so once this is done, now just click on run. So the Frogger project, and click on run as, export. So once you click on export, there are different option of jar file, Java Docker, runnable jar file. So we want to create a runnable jar file. So click on it and click on next. So now in here, just go and select the thing which we have saved. So we have given a name as Frogger demo. So this is the one, and just select the export destination where you want to keep the jar file. So for now, we'll be keeping it on the desktop itself, and click on save, and just check this extract required libraries into the generated jar. So the jar file will contain all the files that are required to run this application. And now just click on finish. So this will come, this is a message, this will come. So just click on OK, and then there will be one more message, that is jar export finish with warnings. So there were some warnings in the project, and that's why it is there. So just click on OK, and we are done for now. So just, if you can see, this jar file got generated in here after we did all the things. And now if we want to run the project, so if you close this Eclipse, and now if you want to run the project, just click on this jar file and that project should open up. So the game should open up. Yeah, so this has successfully been opened, and now you can play your application. So in this way, you can import any of the project and run it without just opening the Eclipse or the command line. So with this, we come to an end of this video in the series, which was on creating a runnable jar file for us. We hope that you have liked the content, and also please post your any questions, queries, or any suggestions in the comment section regarding this video. Yeah, and that's all for today. So see you soon with more Java related content. Until then, have a great time. Thank you.